guys.
Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy?
Who's a good boy? Anyways, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please don't watch this. He did it. Bad Bobby. Bad Bobby. Anyways, I know my channel is not about, cute, fluffy, curly dogs, but I had to show this, y'all. I have to show this to the world. Literally, this is so funny to me. Now, whenever I say wanna go outside, boy, he goes crazy. Or whenever I say, who is it? Like someone at the door, he goes ballistic. I want to show that to y'all, man. No, let's go. Wanna go outside, boy? Wait, he's coming. He's looking at me right now. Wanna go outside, boy? See that? Okay, watch this now. Who is it? Who is it? Say hi to YouTube. Say hi. Who is it? He's ready. Who is it? Bro, I'm dead. You're supposed to say, who is it? Who's a good boy? Y'all see that? Ready again? Who is it? Wanna go outside, boy? Nothing? Okay. Wanna go outside, boy? Who is it? He goes crazy. Okay, y'all, let's take him outside. Look at this, y'all. The ears go back. You already know what it is. He's happy. Wobbling.
Ooh, and we're outside.
Hey, Mr. Angel, I'm lost. Would you get my way if you knew what it cost? Thoughts are running a line, holding me at bay, but I still feel cross.
What's the puppy's name?
His name is Koji.
Hey, Koji, it's okay. Don't look so crazy, but it's okay. He wasn't playing at that. Look. Oh, it's okay, buddy. It's okay. It's okay. It's so crazy.
They're crazy.
That's all those barkers. They only do is bark.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, so cute.
Holding me at bay, but I still feel less.
Who's a good boy? You're my Bobby. He's gonna pee on this tree. Watch this. He loves being on the
Oh,
tree.
you know I love it tonight.
He's way too fast, y'all. I can't keep up.
Okay, y'all, it's about to happen. The glorious moment. He's about to do it. He's about to do it. Ooh, 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 ooh. He's taking a dump. Oh, what the? What?
I hope nobody saw that. Because if they did, we're gonna be in some trouble. Go, boy. Go on. Go on. Come. Oh, you don't wanna? Come. No. Outside is finished, boy. Come, go inside. finished. It's over for you. Come, jump. Hey, jump. Okie dokie. Okay, did you like your walk, boy? Thank y'all so much for watching. I know this content is a little bit different for y'all, but I'm just still gonna upload whatever I want to upload, you know, basically. And I hope you enjoyed this video, man. Are you tired, boy? You wanna drink some water, boy? Here, boy? Say goodbye. Bye. Peace out, y'all. Hey.
Taking me for granted, my
He's tired. Look at this. He's dead. Let's try that one more time. Wanna go outside, boy? He's not so excited. Oh, he's drained right now. He's gonna take a nap. Good night, Bubby.